I think I'm all right.
Anything else?
That's it.
Okay.
Let's roll.
Here we go.
Hey, how are you? We're on a motorcycle trip. Put on your happy face. Put on your
Happy face.
Here we go.
I'll get it. Out all right, which is good. Can't complain too much about that. 21-1. She's singing. I checked on everything.
We're good?
Yeah. Only concern really is your helmet might be getting a little wishy-washy around there.
Okay, so it's not hitting anything hard.
Okay.
Yeah, everything's good.
I got a third strap on yours and I'm loving it. You good with driving another stint, or you want?
I'm cool.
I can do one more stint in the back. I got no clue what the hell you gonna do, Thomas. So I'm in the bathroom and I see all this writing for this motorcycle club on the wall, and it's like, what are these guys? 12?
No,
What's right on the walls in the bathroom?
Well, they ripped everything off of the walls. Oh, they ain't gonna let me turn that.
No way.
That's a some bitchin' thing right there.
What you need to do is go up there.
Could do an illegal, but I was all thinking about it. Somewheres.
You're gonna have to go that way, I guess. The way you're going. Oh, God bless you. God bless you, everyone.
Well, there's nothing.
Something.
Subway. Subway or Mickey D's, babe? How's everything looking after all those bumps?
Not bad.
16.6. I think she's gonna go to about 20.
21.6 on the last fill up. I think you're gonna get to about 22.4.
Did you say 21.6?
You jalapenos.
Jalapeno?
Boys on wow.
Is that crazy or what?
No, I don't need it. I just want to repeat it.
Hey guys, it's Matt with Matthew Cycle. We got the trailer and truck here. We're in Kentucky currently, getting ready to head to the Smoky Mountain region. We're gonna do a little video vlog for you, and thanks for watching. Peace out.
I think there's enough time to just roll it, but at some time you gotta get your tires going this way. So I go back 25, 30, 40 feet. Looks good. Looks great. Keep that line. Turn the wheel the other way now. Looking good.
Go back and straighten it out. Got another 20 feet.
Yeah, keep coming. Plenty of room. Another 10 feet. Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Perfect. Excellent.
Yeah. Let's unload.